Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we have motion that is this house believe that feminist movement should aggressively oppose the K-pop industry. Before I get down to my case, let me give you an answer of the rebuttal from the closing opposition, where they say that the K-pop industry become the supply and demand of the society, ladies and gentlemen, where that statement is not true, ladies and gentlemen. Why I say so? Because the K-pop are popular from the 2005 till 2021, where it's not called a supply and demand because it's not exist in the short time, ladies and gentlemen. K-pop before 2005 there was no any trending of the K-pop, where K-pop have a trigger to be popular, ladies and gentlemen. First is that intensively they give the entertainment of the K-pop till the society little by little always try to consume the K-pop itself, and in the end of the day, the society will feel addicted of the K-pop and it becomes their habit to always consume the K-pop itself, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's get down to my case, where I'm going to talk about why should be the feminist movement and why should be the K-pop industry that becoming the problems about that must be aggressively opposed in this motion. So we talk about why should be the feminist movement, ladies and gentlemen. So we know that have been explained by the opening governments that feminist movement are the community, are the movement where their job are protecting women and always try to appreciate women. So in the OG also explain about where everyone's are unique, human beauty. When they always try to consume about the K-pops, it means that it also change their mindset. They always where they will feel addicted and they will try to always fulfill the standardization of the K-pop, like their beauty, like their style and others, ladies and gentlemen. Next is why should be the K-pop industry, where here is the character of the K-pop itself, ladies and gentlemen. It makes the one who always consume K-pop having like there are so many glorifications of the followers, ladies and gentlemen. They will always try to look for and always try to find the products that related to the K-pop itself, ladies and gentlemen. So it's little by little it also changed, it also remove Indonesian product, where today we know that Indonesians are trending, so there are so many followers of the K-pop itself, ladies and gentlemen. Then by that it also give impacts on Indonesian product, where when they always consume K-pop's product, Indonesian products are little by little removed by that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what makes our opinion difference here? First is we're gonna talk about the selling powers of domestic product that getting decreased, ladies and gentlemen. Where we know that when Indonesians or women Indonesians are always consuming the K-pop, the content of the K-pop, it means that change little by little they will always need the product of the K-pop. They little by little will always try to fulfill and force themselves to get the standardizations of the K-pop itself, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, it can impact on the selling on the domestic products in Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen. And next is so when Indonesians always try to consume the K-pop's product, ladies and gentlemen, it also can change their character, the character of Indonesian culture, ladies and gentlemen. Because why I say so? When we talk about K-pop, ladies and gentlemen, it's kind of improving, or it's kind of giving us example on their culture itself, so that when we always and feeling addicted to consume the K-pop itself, it means it can force us to follow what actually they show in the K-pop content itself, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, I do really agree about the aggressively oppose on the K-pop industry, ladies and gentlemen, because there are so many harms that can be created in the when we don't oppose the K-pop industry, ladies and gentlemen. Here also, okay. When we, as the example, ladies and gentlemen, there are so many habits that have been changed when we always consume the K-pop itself, either from our habits, either from the way we eat. We always try to take or consume an instant food, like we always try to follow their lifestyle in our side, in our own life, till therefore it can also remove our own character, because we always consume that by that. The feminist movement should aggressively oppose the K-pop industry, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we proudly propose that feminist movement should aggressively oppose the K-pop industry.